Sinadya ng Diyos na walang taong tumulong sa'yo para makita mo ang tulong na galing sa Kanya. Even when you feel like you're walking all alone, He's right beside you, never lets you fall down low. Sinadya ng Diyos to test your heart and your faith para malaman mo only His love will never fade. Lahat ng hirap, lahat ng pain you've been through, it's all for a reason. His grace is always true. We rely on people, akala natin sila ang sandalan, but human love changes sometimes, they just let go and run. Pero God is different, He stays the same forever. Kahit walang nakikinig, He hears every single prayer. Yung mga gabi na umiiyak ka in silence, akala mo wala nang makaunawa ng nararamdaman.
We used to hide under the covers, serenade each other with careless melodies. Am I